with my GraphicsFlow account, I've linked my art portal directly into my Inksoft store. And this is providing the customer with an experience where they can select a design and submit it for customization. So that customer that doesn't want to design it themselves can choose through 7,000 different designs, select a design. We'll just type in soccer here, hit enter. And if they want to submit this design for customization, all they have to do is just click on it. They can put in any kind of notes that they want, add that to a checkout, and then they can submit the design. And I can collect whatever information I want when they submit the design request, their name, email, phone number. I added some custom fields like tell us about your project, added a date picker here, and I even put a drop-down list for sales reps so we can see exactly who is responsible for this particular customer. They can also upload source artwork, so if they have a piece of artwork for reference, or maybe they're uploading their logo for their school so we can swap that into the graphic, they can do that right here. As soon as they click Submit Design Request, I'm going to get emailed, the customer is going to get a confirmation email, and I'm going to get a notification in my GraphicsFlow account. I've logged into my GraphicsFlow account. You're seeing design ideas right here. There's also a massive library of clip art. If you just need a great tiger mascot, you can just type in tiger. Maybe you need a welder for a welding company. You can type in weld. And we're also a font foundry. So there's about 560 fonts that are built into GraphicsFlow, and your sign-on bonus is when you sign up for an account, you get to download and install all 560 fonts into your graphics program. But what I'm interested in is design requests, because the customer had filled out a design request on my store, and I want to collect that request and customize the design. So I'm going to click on the design request. I can assign it to a coworker. I have all the notes telling me about the request, when their projected in-hands date is, what rep was working with them. And if I want to customize this design, I have this set of instructions for customizing it. All I need to do is click on that little link, and I can begin the customization process. Now, I could have downloaded this file into Adobe Illustrator or CorelDRAW and manually edit it, but I don't need to do that. Anybody on my team, regardless of their graphic skills, can customize the design. So if I click on Customize, I'm going to enter the stock art customizer. All I need to do is name drop the text. So I'm going to go over here. We're going to change this to Cougars. This is a 2-line text effect, so we need to change both lines. Change this to CHS. I can swap out the clip art if I want to, but what I'm going to do is just localize the colors. So I'm going to take this burgundy color. I'm going to make it more of a red. I'm going to take the black and make it more of a navy. And I'm going to take the gray and I'm going to consolidate that back to white so I have a 3-color design. From here, all I need to do is save the design. I can come back and re-customize this design. So I'll save that design. I can then add it to an art approval if I want to send it off to the customer to have them sign off on the art or see the art. In this case, I'm just going to download a PDF because I'm going to import this into Inksoft to create a product.